Welcome to this short demonstration of word styles. I'm Dr. Souza, and today we'll see how to transform a manually formatted document into a structured professional file. On screen, you see our practice document. The title and headings are manually formatted, so Word treats them as plain paragraphs. We'll use this file to show how styles create structure. First, select the title Document Review Summary and apply the title style from the gallery. This tells Word this line is the document's title and gives it a unique role. Now that our title is set, let's look at section headings. These define the main hierarchy of your document. Select the major sections, background, key themes, and recommended next steps, and apply heading 1. For subsections like responsiveness and clarity, apply heading 2. This creates a clear nested structure. Always leave the paragraphs beneath each heading as normal text. This keeps your body copy consistent. Once your styles are applied, you unlock the real power of Word, navigation, and automatic outlines. Open the Navigation Pane from the View tab. Word now shows a structured outline. This makes it easy to jump between sections and even generate a table of contents instantly. If you need to change formatting, right-click the style in the gallery and choose Modify. Change the font or color once, and every heading updates automatically. Styles are more than cosmetic. They provide structural information that makes documents easier to revise and maintain. This approach ensures client-ready results every time. Format by role, not by appearance. It saves time and produces consistent documents for your legal practice. Thanks for watching.